To make a handle broach, I'm going to start with a saw blade for a reciprocating saw, or in this case it's actually a Milwaukee, so it's actually a sawzall, which a lot of people will call them sawzall blades. Because basically it's just a wood saw, is all a handle broach really is. It's just going to be small enough and set in a handle that's basically a tiny keyhole saw. So I'm going to grind off some of the teeth to make it a little shorter. I'm going to grind down the back of the blade to make it narrower. And then I'm going to fit it into a handle. I'll probably have to cut it off because these are really long blades. But I'm going to get started on that, and we're going to convert a common hardware store saw blade into a handle broach to use for knife making.